for everyone. Mark and Garrix's mommy, what's that sound in you? Pop, 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 pop. Yeah, motherfucking popcorn is done. Something like this. See? Steaming hot. No. One aromat. Do one aromat. Thanks, mommy. Bye. See, we have popcorn for the movie. This is hot now. It'll get cold. Popcorn popped out nicely and freely.
Got some extra text, please. Carrying extras. In case I snag one on someone's nipple ring. Oh, is the Mrs. speaking for the couple? Miss Dace, you bet she is. Yes, she's pushy, and yes, she's whipped, but that's not the expression. Come on, I want to stop at Walgreens and pick up some more eyeliner.
Sorry, Sheldon, I almost sat in your spot.
Did you?
Coca-Cola. Here we go.
fitting in quite nicely.
It'd help if you weren't drinking light beer.
But what's so gothic about vodka and cranberry juice?
Hello, it looks like blood. You didn't read the wiki how I set you on being goth. No, I'm behind on my...
All right, now we've jumped over to what happens when you hook your Leap Band up to your computer. Cool app here where you can set things like the quiet mode. That is when it's just tracking their movement, but no games, no alarms, no sounds. So when they're at school, you can set it that way. At bedtime, so they won't be tempted to play games, you can set that quiet mode. This cannot be turned off in the watch, only in the app which the parents use on the computer. So that's neat. The challenges, you can load up different challenges here. So there are combination challenges, there are play challenges, activity, imaginative. This is pretty cool because, you know, a 4-year-old's going to be interested in different things. Maybe like walking like a duck makes sense for a 4-year-old, but a 7-year-old might want more of the sports challenges. So you check off which challenges you want. So when they press that challenge button, these different challenges will randomly come up, and that's how they earn jewels and get active. So we like how you can customize it based on the age of your children or their interest. Of course, this is an activity band, so you want to track that. There's a full dashboard for that. You can see on your computer what pets they have unlocked, the jewels they've earned, and of course a weekly snapshot of how much activity they've had. And you can set up your own goals with your kids based on how much activity they have. Another neat addition is this Pentathlon Games. We're going to show you that. There's an app. You can download this iOS or Android, some cool games. And the way it works is that you unlock parts of that pentathlon with the jewels you earn with the Leap Band. So the more active they are in the real world, the more they can play in the digital world. So that's a neat little twist there. There you go. That's a quick look at the...
I know what you're doing. Really?
Yes.